Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. For this video, I'm going to open up another dollar bead box and bag. And in case you're new to this, the dollar bead box and bag are monthly bead subscriptions that you can subscribe to online. And they also offer sometimes some other like deals and stuff. And they also have an online store, which I have gone and bought from their online store. And it is awesome because you can buy everything for $1. But in order to do that, you have to be a member. So I recommend that you go to their website. I will leave a link for the website down there in the description bar below this video, so you can go check them out and read all the information about their monthly subscriptions. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I made a playlist for you guys, because every time I get a box, I make a tutorial or two, depending on what I can come up with and if I have enough time to do it. And I have the dollar bead box playlist, and in the playlist I have where I've opened up the boxes, and I also have the videos there that I've made, the tutorials with the stuff that I get in the box. So for this video, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, so I have the dollar bead bag here. And already I'm seeing some really amazing colors. Okay. Now I did get an email, I think everybody did, that is subscribed to the dollar bead box. They accidentally named one of the strands the wrong thing. So they sent out emails to everybody letting them know about it. So here is the these are 3mm, and these are the 4. The first one is Crystal AB, which is this one right here. Very pretty. I bought a whole bunch of these a while ago. And could always use more though. Never have enough of that color. And the next one is Opaque Red Nebulous Luster. So that's this one here. And I think last month I got the 4mm to that. Or to this. So I really love how they do that. It's a very beautiful red. It has like blues, hints of blue through it. The next one is Opaque White Half Copper. This is so cool. I've never seen a strand like this before. I've seen where they do the half Labrador and stuff on clear beads, but never on an opaque color like that. It's pretty neat looking. And the next one here is the one that has the wrong name. It says Crystal Mardi Gras, but it's actually something else, and I forgot what they said the correct name is for this. It's very pretty though. And then the 4mm, there's Jet Hematite AB, and last month I got the 3mm to this 4mm, and these are so cool. I love this. It looks different on the camera. It looks like it's really blue, but it's not. And the next one is Ocean Green Opal. And I think last month I got the 3mm to this one. I love these. They're so gorgeous. This is something that I have to go back onto the dollar bead box and buy, is that color right there. And then the next one is Opaque Half Copper. So that's this one here. So it matches this one. Very pretty. And this is Matte Copper. Really pretty. I love all of the strands. I'm never ever disappointed in the things that are in the dollar bead bag. Always a great buy. Okay, now onto the box. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is so cool. I love this strand right here. And it's really long. It's really beautiful. So it's like a bicone, but from the top it's a square shape. See that there? Really neat. Okay, so I'm going to move all of this onto my mat. Okay, so first I'm going to do the strands. And the first thing on the top of the strand is, top of the strand list is a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle. Yellow opal. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. I love the opal colors. That is a really pretty yellow, and I am not a big yellow fan, but that yellow is stunning. I love that. So pretty. There is a lot of stuff in this box here, so I'm going to try to go through it carefully. Let's see. 4mm check fire polish crystal AB 50. So that is this strand here. Very pretty. And I got the 3mm, didn't I, to this in the bag? Yes. And the next thing is 6mm check glass bicone turquoise with travertine. There's 35 beads on this awesome strand. I love these so much. I'm going to try to use these. Really love those in my project that I do. Okay, the next thing is 8x10mm check glass tulip, ice blue or opal turquoise. So I think I got the ice blue. These are pretty. I only have a couple of these beads. They're check. I think I have maybe 3 of them in my whole entire bead stash, and every single one of them are different colors. They're very pretty. Like those. And then the last strand is 6mm lava beads. There's 60 here on a strand. So I just recently got 8mm in these from another store, and I was shocked by how awesome they were, because when I first saw lava beads, you know, I thought online, I saw them online, I didn't see them in person. I didn't think they were going to be that great, but they're actually really amazing beads. They're heavy, which I was surprised. I thought they would be like lightweight because they're porous, but they're actually not. They have weight to them. They're really cool. Okay, so after that strand, and that is a lot of beads too. 60 it says in the strand. So for the additional items, I am looking for 6mm Chinese crystal bicone. Assorted colors. So there's 100, so it must be these here. And these are gorgeous. And they are amazing quality, and I have to say, I am extremely shocked that you can go back onto their store and buy 100 of these for $1, because looking at them, they are superb quality. They're really good quality. Can you guys see? They have very nice clean holes. Their holes don't look like they're sharp, like they would cut your thread. They look pretty good for $1. That is awesome. Okay, next thing. 0.6mm Crystal Tech stretch cord. Crystal Tech. So that's this here. So this is an elastic cord. And then, after the cord, is 0.7 by 23mm head pin. Silver plated. 100. These right here, and you know what, I was just going through my stash and I'm very low on silver head pins. These are shorter though than the ones I usually use, which is fine. But yeah, I need these. And there's 100 of them. And again, that's great for $1. And then After the head pins is hand-dyed Chinese silk cord, which is this here. And I love these silk cords. They are so cool. I want to say that I bought this one from their store. I have to go back and see if it's the same purple or not. It's a purple, but I don't know if it's this exact purple. But these cords are awesome. They can be used so many different ways. You can use them as a wrap bracelet. You can use them in a necklace. You can put them on your head if you wanted to. Use them as a headband. And I've already used this several different ways in my dollar bead box tutorial. So if you go to the playlist, you'll see the different ways I've used that cord. We also have here 0.6 by 6 millimeter spring ring, antique brass, 100 pieces. So that's these here. This is great. I can never have enough of these. I call them split rings because they separate down the center. Those are awesome. I use these all the time. And freshwater stick pearl. Size varies. 1. Where is there a pearl? Oh! Oh, cool. This would be really pretty as a little dangle on pendants. Like have several different charms together. I'll open it up. Wow, that is really long and flat. That's so cool. I don't have any pearls like this. Most of my pearls are round or oval shaped, like the egg shaped pearls that are freshwater. So that's pretty cool to have. Also, I'm looking for a 12 millimeter lapis round, 2 pieces. That must be these. These are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love these. They're so pretty. Man, I gotta get some more of these. Those are beautiful. I really like those. Okay, after the lapis, and these were 12 millimeter by the way, I'm looking for 14 millimeter check glass striped triangle, crystal and blue, 4 pieces. That's these here. I have a triangle like this, but mine are drilled on the point. Their hole is this way, not down to the center. But these are pretty darn cool. You know what could be done with them? Of course you can string them and stuff, but you could put them onto wire, slide it onto wire, fold wire over the back, and then you would twist it, and then you would do it again, and you can make a flower out of these. It would have 4 petals in it. I hope that made sense what I just said. But yeah, there's different ways you can use these. Okay. After the triangle beads, I lost my place. Where am I? Here I am. 12 millimeter check glass table cut. Opaque blue and purple with travertine. 12 millimeter. And they are opaque blue. So that must be these. Oh wow. These are cool. I have not seen this shape before in a check bead. That one there looks really awesome. I don't know if it's showing up on camera that well, but it's a pretty cool looking bead. Okay, now I'm looking for a 12 by 16 millimeter check glass table cut opaque red with travertine. 1. So that's this one here. Very pretty. I like this too. This can probably be made into a ring. Yeah, I think it could. That'd be a really cool ring. And then the very last thing is a 26mm pewter Buddha pendant. Antique copper or antique silver. Oh my gosh, he's double-sided. I love double-sided charms. They are the best. You know? I hate when I put charms onto a necklace or something and they flip and you can see the back side and the back side is ugly. You know, why don't all the manufacturers make their charms double-sided? It just makes sense. So cool. And that's a heavy charm. Nice weight to it. Okay, so this is all the stuff I got, and I'm really happy with this box. I love these. I gotta buy some more of those. Those are pretty. And, as you know, I always sit down, play with the beads, and see what I can come up with for a project using the beads from the dollar bead box and from the dollar bead bag. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry we've made from my videos on my Facebook page and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.